I'm searching how to buy shares of SGS SA to show you the process step by step. SGS SA is a global inspection, testing, and certification company listed on CBOE EU under ticker SGSN.ZU. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy SGS SA, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase shares. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SGSN.ZU to locate the listing. Make sure you select the correct SGS SA share on the CBOE EU market. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing details to ensure this is the right SGS SA stock before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the video description if you want to visit the platform.